So I'm gonna show you the inside of the car. Close that behind. There's a big lock. Quite safe. Alright, let's turn on the electricity. So this is the inside. I'm almost 2 meters tall, 198, and I'm standing full height. I still have about 15 centimeters up to 20 above my head. You got windows, nets here. You can open the window, look outside, check out if there are any enemies, or just to check out the beautiful weather in nature. The bed goes down like all the way here. There's a winch here. You just take this and spin it, and the bed goes over here, and you use this space. You go with the head there, or with your legs. In the back there is a storage of this aluminium frame that you can put all the way here and sleep downstairs, or you can actually make one bed here, another bed here, so 4 people can sleep, or kids. Another baby bed is, we put the table over here, and the 2 kids were sleeping with a head or legs here and here. There's also storage inside. There is storage under the seat. Another storage. This is the water tanks. There's a fridge here. Storage. Shelves. This is to unscrew the spare wheel. There's a filter over here. You got water and filtered water, and 2 gas cookers, gas stove. You can use the toilet right here. You just turn it. There's more storage over here, more storage over here. There's also storage here and here. Also, if you sit on the toilet, you can go like that. It is possible to go down from the bed to this area. You're practically walking on this little space. So you can cook, somebody can lie on the bed, you can open and close the door. Also, if you want to take shower inside, under this carpet, there is a shower. I used it. It works quite well. You just have to make sure the elevation goes to that drainage. But if the water goes out, there's nothing really is gonna happen, because this is like built like a yacht. It's all waterproof. All right, so in case you're sleeping, well, you can sleep down and close the roof like that, and you have lots of space. or you can put the bed right here and still have about 60 centimeters to sleep. I managed to get out without putting the roof up and use the toilet in the night. If you put the roof up, it's very easy. If it's windy, you put the roof down. If it's not windy, or in the winter, if you want to save energy, I usually put the roof down. You put the table over here. It goes right here, and you put the table on it. Sit, have a lunch. You don't have to walk, get up. Everything is reachable from the table. Kids can lie down here during the day, or you can have just things over there, just storage. Well, I manage also to lay down there and watch my wife cook. Yeah, this I showed. There are nets, shade, nets. There's a light here. There is also light here. There's a socket. There's a socket here as well. There is a socket here, socket here. The heating is Eberspecher water pump based on water. So the water is heated up from the engine. The water heats up the engine. You have a boiler. You have warm water. When you stop driving, you can have immediate shower, warm shower without waiting for the heating to warm up, the heating system to warm up the water. So there's a standard panel, you got temperature, you got battery voltage inside the cabin and the car battery. There's a water indication, pump, outside light, inside light, and this is the solar system display. This is the inverter. This is a Eberspecher main panel that you can put on 60 or 20 minutes manually. This is a switch to turn on the heating for the night. So you don't want to change every night, prolong the heating every 60 to 120 minutes. So you use this and it automatically turns the heating based on this thermometer. If it's you set on the temperature that you need, it automatically turns on the heating. And there is a fan here. It's not dry because the water it's a water heating, not air heating. And there are two speeds of the ventilator, and it gets warmer. Yeah, switch it off. So that's about it. So I can show you. Also, if it's humid, you have a ventilation here. Another ventilation is another down here. You never have humidity that you don't want inside. All right, that's it.